Let us learn how to find the HCF of two whole numbers. Remember, HCF means highest common factor. That is, you're looking at two whole numbers and then you're trying to find of their factors, which one are in common and which of those common factors is the highest. Example, find the HCF of 15 and 40. To do this, there are different methods you can try, but I will show you by listing of factors. So finding HCF of 15 and 40 by listing of factors. Solution. So to use this method, you start by looking for the factors of individual numbers. So let's start with 15. Factors of 15. To get the factors of 15, we look for numbers that multiply into each other to give us 15, such as 1 by 15 would give you 15, and then 3 multiplied by 5 would give us 15. That means our factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, and 15. Now apply the same thing to 40. For 40, factors of 40, we get 1 times 40 would give you 40. 2 times 20 would give us 40. 4 times 10 would give us 40. And then 5 times 8 would give us 40. Therefore, our factors of 40 equals 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, and 40. Now that we have gotten the factors, let's put them side by side so that we can compare them easily. That is, for 15, we have 1, 3, 5, and 15. While for 40, we have 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, and 40. Now, when you look at these factors, you will see that the factors that are common are, so that is, let's list that now. Common factors. We have 1. We have 5. 1 and 5. There are no other common factors. Now, of these two factors that they have in common, which of them is the highest? That would be 5. So that is HCF of 15 and 40 equals 5. Thank you.